अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मुहतरम सामईन, from today onwards we are going to learn the lessons, Arabic lessons, reading and writing and speaking। और हमारे लिए इंतहाई ज़रूरी है कि जब हम बोलना, पढ़ना और लिखना कोई लैंग्वेज को हम जब सीख रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हमें उसकी प्रैक्टिस भी ज़रूरी है। फॉर दिस यू नीड, when you are listening these chapters, you need to keep with you a pen or a pen and a notebook, so in that you can write. So let's start. In this lesson we will discuss about hada. Hada means this, as we say in English language, this, ye. So we will discuss about the hada and we will practice reading and writing. And one more later we will add ma hada, the question mark, the question word ma. Ma means what? Hada, ye, this. So we will learn both things, ma hada and hada, in the first lesson, lesson 1, ad-darsul awwal. So let's start. Ad-darsul awwal, lesson 1, hada, this, ye. Hada baitu-n. Hada means this. This, baitu-n, house. Baitu-n, house. So there is a tanwîn in the last. So we will say hada baitu-n. This is a house. ये घर है. Hada masjidu-n. This is a masjid. This is a mosque. ये मस्जिद है. यह एक मस्जिद है. Hada babun. This is a door. यह एक दरवाजा है. Hada kitâbu-n. This is a book. यह एक किताब है. Hada qalamun. This is a pen. यह एक कलम है. Hada miftahun. This is a key. ये एक चाबी है. Hada maktabun. Hada maktabun. This is a writing table. This is a writing table. ये मेज है या पढ़ने वाला मेज है. Hada sarirun. This is a bed. यह चारपाई है या एक बेड है. ये पलंग है. Hada kursiyun. This is a chair. ये कुर्सी है. तो यहाँ तक हादा का हमने लर्न किया. अब हम लर्न करेंगे मा हादा. सवालिया जुमला है. This is a question sentence. So we will learn in this about ma. Ma means what. When we are adding at the beginning of the hada, so what will be the meaning? So let's see. Ma hada. What is this? What is this? This is a house. Hada baitun. ये क्या है? ये घर है. अब यहां पर the word of this also comes for question mark. के माने भी क्या के आते हैं, लेकिन इसका माना होता है क्या ये घर है. हादा बैतुन. Is this a house? Is this a house? Naam. We can answer with the letter naam. Naam. Yes. Hada baitun. Yes, this is a house. Ma hada. What is this? ये क्या है? Hada qamisun. ये कमीज है. ये कमीज है. This is a shirt. Hada sarirun. Is this a chair? क्या ये पलंग है? ला, नहीं. हादा, ये कुर्सीयुन. कुर्सी है. नहीं, ये कुर्सी है. नो, दिस इज अ चेयर. अहादा मिफ्ताहुन. अहादा मिफ्ताहुन. क्या ये चाबी है? इज दिस अ की? ला, नो, नहीं. हादा कलमुन, दिस इज अ पेन, ये कलम है, ये पेन है। मा हादा, व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या है। हादा नजमुन, ये सितारा है, ये सितारा है। दिस इज अ स्टार। Let's move to the tamreen or exercise or mashq. From here, you need to write the answers in your notebook, or you can comment me, or you can write me on Telegram, or you can WhatsApp me after writing, after practicing. Ma hada, what is this? There is a question. What is this? Ye kya hai? You need to see the picture. Then after you need to write the answer. So you can write answer in your notebook or in the comment box. You can write the answer. Ma hada. This is a table, writing table. Hada maktabun. Hada maktabun. Ma hada. What is this? Ye kya hai? Answer will be hada sarirun. This is a bed. Ma hada. What is this? Answer hada kitâbu-n. This is a book. ये किताब है. Ma hada. ये क्या है? What is this? Hada babun. Ma hada. ये क्या है? Hada baitu-n. This is a house. ये घर है. Here the exercise with the question mark. Ahada baitun. क्या ये घर है? Is this a house? Yes. You need to write yes. The answer will be only yes or only naam. Only naam if you are saying, it will be the full answer. Or you can say naam hada baitun. Yes. This is a house. Ahada qamisun. If this is qamis, so you can write naam. Naam also is enough. Naam hada qamisun. Ahada miftahun. Is this a key? This is not key. So you need to write the la. La. Hada qalamun. La. Hada qalamun. Ahada najmun. The answer will be naam. That's enough. Naam. Hada najmun. Ha. Ye sitara. Yes, this is star. Now we are moving to iqra waktub. Read and write. This you need to read in your notebook. Then this you need to read from here. Then after you need to write in your notebook. So you can do hada maktabun. Hada maktabun. This is a writing table. Hada masjidun. This is a masjid. Ye masjid hai. Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Ye pen hai. Hada sarirun. This is a bed. ये पलंग है. मा हादा. What is this? ये क्या है? हादा कुर्सीयुन. This is a chair. ये कुर्सी है. अहादा बैतुन. Is this a house? क्या ये घर है? ला. हादा मस्जिदुन. No, this is a masjid. नहीं, ये मस्जिद है. अहादा मा हादा. ये क्या है? What is this? Hada miftahun. This is a key. ये चाबी है. Man. We are going to learn about man. Man means who. कौन. Hada. This. Man hada. Who is this? Who is this? So man hada. You can see in the picture. Then you can answer. Man hada. Who is this? Hada. ये कौन है? Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. ये डॉक्टर है. मन हादा. Who is this? ये कौन है? हादा waladun. This is a boy. मन हादा. Who is this? हादा. ये कौन है? हादा तालिबुन. This is a student. ये तालिब इल्म है. हादा वलदुन, इज दिस अ बॉय, क्या ये लड़का है? ला, नो. हादा रजुलुन, दिस इज अ बॉय, दिस इज अ मैन. हादा रजुलुन, दिस इज अ मैन. नहीं, ये आदमी है. मन हादा, हु इज दिस, ये कौन है? हादा ताजिरुन, दिस इज अ मर्चेंट, ये शॉपकीपर है, ये दुकानदार है. हादा ताजिरुन, दिस इज अ शॉपकीपर, दिस इज अ मर्चेंट, ये शॉपकीपर है, ये दुकानदार है. मा हादा, हु इज दिस? मा हादा, व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या है? हादा masjidun, दिस इज अ मस्जिद, दिस इज अ मस्जिद, ये मस्जिद है. और दिस इज अ मॉस्क. हादा कल्बुन, दिस इज अ डॉग, ये कुत्ता है. अहादा कल्बुन, इज दिस अ डॉग, क्या ये कुत्ता है? ला, हादा कित्तुन, नहीं, ये बिल्ली है. नो, दिस इज अ कैट. हादा हिमारुन, दिस इज अ डोंकी, ये गधा है. अहादा हिमारुन, what this is this is this a donkey? ला, क्या ये गधा है? ला, हादा हिसानुन, नो, दिस इज अ हॉर्स, नहीं, ये घोड़ा है. वमा हादा, एंड व्हाट इज दिस? हादा जमलुन, दिस इज अ केमल, दिस इज अ जमल, दिस इज अ ऊंट, ये ऊंट है. दिस इज अ केमल, ये ऊंट है. मा हादा, व्हाट इज दिस? हादा दीकुन, दिस इज अ रोस्टर, ये मुर्गा है. मन हादा, हु इज दिस, ये कौन है? हादा मुदर्रिसुन, ये उस्ताद है, ये टीचर है. दिस इज अ टीचर. Here again the exercise about the ma and about the man. We need to read and write. Iqra waktub. Iqra means read, waktub means write. Ma hada, what is this? Hada qalamun, this is a pen, ये पेन है. Hada kalbun, this is a dog, ये कुत्ता है. Man hada, ये कौन है? Hada tabibun, this is a doctor, ये डॉक्टर है. Hada jamalun, this is a camel. Ahada dikun, is this a rooster? Just only need to write the answer. Naam, yes, हाँ. क्या ये मुर्गा है? हाँ. अहादा कल्बुन, is this a dog? ला, नहीं. हादा कित्तुन, this is a cat. क्या ये कुत्ता है? नहीं, ये बिल्ली है. अहादा हिसानुन, क्या ये घोड़ा है? is this a horse? ला, हादा हिमारुन, no, this is a donkey. नहीं, ये गधा है. मन हादा, ये कौन है? हादा रजुलुन, ये आदमी है. मन हादा, हु इज दिस? हादा रजुलुन, दिस इज अ मैन. अहादा वलदुन, इज दिस अ बॉय, क्या ये लड़का है? नाम, नाम, हाँ, यस. In this lesson, some points are there to remember. So in this lesson we learn the following patterns. Mahada, we have learned mahada. What is this? So we can use this for several things. Mahada, what is this? Mahada, what is this? So hada kitabun, we can say hada kitabun. If you want to practice, you can say hada kitabun, hada qalamun, hada ummun, hada abun, hada akhun, hada masjidun, hada dukkanun. So ahada baitu-n, is this house? ahada qalamun, is this a pen? क्या ये घर, क्या ये कलम है? ahada jawalun, is this a phone? ahada miftahun, is this a key? Whatever things if you want you can practice. Naam, hada baitun, yes, this is a house. La, hada masjidun, no, this is a mosque. Man hada, who is this? We can ask about anything, about anyone. Vocabulary: baitu-n house, masjidu-n mosque, door babun, kitâbu-n book, qalamun pen, miftahun key chabi, maktabun writing table, maze sarirun bed, palang kursiyun chair kursi, najmun star sitara, qamisun shirt, tabibun doctor, waladun boy ladka, talibun student, talib ilm, rajulun man admi, tajirun merchant shopkeeper dukandar, kalbun dog, kutta, qittun cat billi, himarun donkey, gadha hisanun horse, घोड़ा, jamalun camel, ऊंट, दीकुन roaster मुर्गा, मुदर्रिसुन teacher, ustaz, मुअल्लिम, mindilun kerchief, rumal, dasti. So this was the first lesson. Inshallah al-Aziz, in the next video and the next clip, we will learn about the lesson 2. Practice and write in the comment box what you have learned in this lesson. Assalamu Alaikum.